Landfills worldwide are nearing capacity. From soil contamination to greenhouse gas emissions, the environmental impact of excessive waste is undeniable. But what if we could solve part of this problem with one simple solution? Whiteboard paint? Whiteboard paint transforms walls, outdated chalkboards, and other surfaces into durable, reusable writing spaces. It's an innovative step towards sustainability that reduces waste while maximizing resource efficiency. Every year, schools and offices discard chalkboards, marker boards, and writable surfaces during renovations. Many of these materials, made from laminate, wood, or glass, can take decades to break down in landfills. By applying whiteboard paint, we can modernize these surfaces without throwing them away, saving money and reducing waste. Traditional whiteboards, constructed from non-biodegradable materials like plastic and aluminum, often end up in landfills when damaged or replaced. Whiteboard paint eliminates this need, allowing any smooth surface to become a writable, long-lasting tool, reducing landfill waste and lowering manufacturing emissions. Durable and designed to last over a decade, whiteboard paint preserves surfaces that would otherwise stain or warp over time. This longevity reduces waste and saves costs for organizations while supporting sustainability. In schools and offices, disposable paper products like sticky notes and worksheets contribute significantly to landfill waste. Whiteboard-painted walls offer a reusable alternative for brainstorming, interactive lessons, and task tracking, reducing paper use and deforestation. Renovations in schools and offices often lead to the disposal of functional materials. Instead of discarding, whiteboard paint allows these surfaces to be refreshed, creating eco-friendly spaces while cutting renovation costs. A circular economy emphasizes reusing materials instead of discarding them. Whiteboard paint aligns perfectly with this model, transforming waste-prone surfaces into functional tools that inspire resourcefulness and innovation. Whiteboard paint does more than reduce waste. It encourages sustainable practices, fosters innovation, and helps create a greener world, one surface at a time. Ready to take the next step towards sustainability? Call us at 800-936-2159 to speak with a friendly coding specialist who can guide you to the perfect solution. Or visit us at www.remarkablecoding.com to learn more about how whiteboard paint can transform your spaces sustainably. Together, we can create a greener, more sustainable world. Don't forget to like, share, and comment your thoughts below.